How to make money on Outlier.ea. What if you could boost your revenue by spotting hiding opportunities and avoiding costly mistakes automatically? Outlier.ea helps businesses turn data into dollars by identifying critical trends and anomalies in real time. Learn how you can start earning more with less effort by leveraging the power of EA. Don't miss out on the chance to grow your profits. Read our guide now. Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can earn money on Outlier.ea. So first of all, what is Outlier? Outlier is a data analytics platform that leverages artificial intelligence to detect critical changes and anomalies within businesses' data. It is designed to help companies identify unexpected patterns and relationships in their data, offering actionable insights that can improve customer experience and drive business growth. The platform integrates with various data sources such as Salesforce, Google Analytics, and Amazon Redshift, allowing for comprehensive analysis across multiple datasets. Key features include automatic anomaly detection, multi-source integration, and data visualization tools. So first of all, all I have to do is open a browser and type into outlier.ea. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information about. And if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click on log, and then this is how it works. So you write your email address and your password if you already signed up. So if you want to sign up, all I have to do is click over sign up, and you get started with it. And right now, let's move into the view opportunities to know what will work and earn money on Outlier. So we click over view opportunities, and I will show you jobs that you will do. The first things we have here are phrase jobs, so you choose the one you want and the one you are actually, and then to make money using Outlier.ea, businesses can harness the platform's powerful AI-driven insights to identify hidden opportunities, optimize operations, prevent losses, and improve decision making. First, by analyzing sales trends and customer behavior, Outlier.ea can uncover emerging opportunities such as identifying which products or services are gaining popularity or which customer segments are most profitable, enable targeted marketing and sales efforts. Additionally, the platform helps optimize operations by detecting anomalies in cost data or efficiencies in supply chains, leading to cost reduction and improved profit margins. Inventory management also benefits as demand patterns can be analyzed to maintain optimal stock levels, avoiding the cost associated with overstocking or stockouts. Furthermore, Outlier.ea aids in preventing losses by identifying unusual transactions that might indicate fraud and spotting early signs of customer churn, allowing businesses to take proactive measures to retain customers and maintain revenue. Finally, the insights provided by Outlier.ea support data-driven decision making, ensuring that businesses' strategies are informed by accurate, real-time data, ultimately leading to more effective and profitable outcomes. So we have here other. So you can just click over here. We have other jobs like specialist, pharmacy, household physics, expertise, self-help. So let's come back to the top here. And the home page, we have also some information here. So share your expertise and get paid working where and when you want. We have the first thing, share your knowledge. Everyone's an expert at something. Share your expertise and help make EA more human. Connect with fellow experts. Join our community to work alongside like-minded experts in your domain. Then we have the last one, get paid on your terms, earn competitive pay while enjoying the flexibility to work where and when you want. You have your a community of innovators, of your generalist history, math, coding, chemistry, data science, law, and other things. Then we have your building great EA is a craft. A training is never boring. Create your account and try a simple task in your area of expertise. We have here rating and ranking, rating or ranking assignments. Ask contributors to identify the best model responses out of two or more options until the content is high quality enough to be accepted in a review process. Contributors may also be asked to justify their section's selection in relation to specific criteria or factors. Then we have here the second one, it's open right. With an open right assignment, experts provide a starting point of a specific context for an EA model to expand upon. These prompts can vary widely depending on the desired output and the task at hand. Writing prompts can be simple sentence questions or descriptions meant to elicit a response from the EA model. Then we have multimodal. Multimodal assignments help train models generate and classify information from multiple modalities, including images, audio, or video. For example, experts might train the model to generate a story or a description based on visual content. Then if you scroll down, we have also other things here made the experts help him develop safe and beneficial EA across all disciplines. We have here Nicholas Johnson, Wazowski, Gabriel Byrne, we have also Christiana Rice, Casey Richardson, and then we have here some fake like we have here about Outlier, what is workload. So Outlier is a platform that connects job text. You can just read it to understand. Then we have here green stars. We have some questions like what does the important process look like? Will I get paid for the onboarding process? How long does the onboarding take? What is the purpose of Outliers onboarding? Then we have qualification here. We have can I bring some friends too? What is your selection process? How are resumes evaluated? Then we have what qualifications do I need? Then we have about payment also. How will I be paid? Are there opportunities to earn money? To earn more, sorry, how much will I be paid? Then about hours, we have other things. How long will this opportunity last? Can I do this work in addition to another part-time or full-time opportunity? How much time should I expect to work? And then we have your other things. You can just click over it and get more information about it. You have your terms of use, community guidelines, you have privacy policy, working location policy, cookies policy, data processing addendum. So making money on Outlier.ea involves participating in projects that help train and refine EA models. Contributors work as independent contractors and can choose how many hours they want to work each week, making it flexible for different schedule. Pay is competitive and is based on the complexity of the tasks. Your qualification and your performance. Payment is typically made weekly via PayPal or other methods. Additionally, some projects may offer rewards for completing onboarding programs or for exceptional performance, which can increase earnings. So that's it with Outlier. So you can just get started and start earn money with it. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.